Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna crochet this off shoulder top, and this is very challenging because of the yarn that I am using. So this is gonna be just an overview for this tutorial of how I make it. And yeah, I really love how it turned out, and let's begin. This yarn is quite hairy. I'm using 4mm hook. Gonna make a slip knot, and make a chain of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna make a chain enough to wrap around my back. After you have a chain of 80, and then wrap it around your chest until your back, and give a space at the back for the excess later on. Add a chain of 2, 1, 2, and then after that yarn over and 1 double crochet on the 4th chain. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So insert your hook in the 4th chain from your hook. You're not gonna be able to see the stitches here, but just insert your hook on the 4th chain from the hook and make 1 double crochet. Yarn over, pulls for 2, yarn over, pulls for 2. So yarn over and make 1 double crochet per stitches until the last stitch. I wanted to use this yarn so it is finished. It is stuck in my cabinet for quite long, and finally I decided to make a top out of this one, and finally it is today. So I'm just gonna make 1 double crochet per stitches until the last stitch. Finish making 1 double crochet per stitches, and this is how it looked like. And round 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn. If you know double crochet, it's gonna be easy for you to see or to make. So yarn over and skip the very first stitch and go in the next stitch and place 1 double crochet, and then just place 1 double crochet per stitches until the last stitch. This is 17 inches wide, 6 inches long. I just made 1 double crochet per stitches until I get the length that I want, which is very easy. For the sizing of the shoulder part area, I'm just gonna place it here, and as well as here. It's gonna be like that, and just under here in this underarm. It's really the same. So I'm just gonna grab that. So you're gonna make a slip knot actually, and then pull, and then just make enough chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Gonna be like that. So 20 is too small, I'm gonna add more. And 30, let me see, 30, just like that. I have about like 7.5 inches long. Once you're done having the chain or the size, I'm just gonna go back in the same stitch and then yarn over and pull through. Nice little circle here, making sure this fits in your arm. Make a chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, and then make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. You're not gonna see it here, but I'm just telling you that I am inserting my hook in the very first stitch, and then 1 double crochet per stitches all the way around of the chain that we just made. So once you're done, I'm just gonna make a slip stitch on the very first double crochet stitch that I made, which is here on the 3rd chain. This is very challenging crochet, and then make 1 slip stitch, and there you go. You have a nice circle for your arm area. So round 2, I'm just gonna make 1 double crochet per stitches again. 1, 2, 3, and 1 double crochet per stitches. At first, skip the very first stitch and then go in the next and place 1 double crochet. and 1 double crochet per stitches all the way around. So go ahead, do that, and until you get the length that you want for this. Then now I'm going to add the edges. I'm gonna insert my hook anywhere in the stitch, and I'm gonna take that one and make a slip knot to begin and pull. I'm gonna make a chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 double crochet in that same stitch, 2 and 3. Then skip 1 stitch and go in the next and place 1 single crochet. And then 3 double crochet in the next stitch, 1, 2, 3, and go in the next, place 1 single crochet, 3 double crochet in the next stitch, 2, 3, and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. And I'm just gonna repeat that all the way around of the edges, and this is how it'll look like. It's kind of like this. I'm gonna do that in all of the edges. Once you're done, just make a slip stitch on the 3rd chain, yarn over and pull, and make 1 slip stitch, chain 1, pull tight and cut the yarn. So we're done with the edges, and now we're gonna do the excess here and the strap for the neck. And we're just going to make a chain for the strap as long as you want for the back area and for the neck. Then once you have enough, I'm gonna go in the 2nd chain from the hook, 1, 2, insert, make 1 single crochet, and then 1 single crochet per chain until the last chain. Insert, grab, and yarn over, pull through 2. Just 1 single crochet per chain. And this is how it looked like. It was pretty easier than I thought, and yeah, there was a little bit of where to find the stitches, but it was doable with this kind of yarn. And yeah, I really love this challenge, and I would love to do this in the future. That's it. Bye.